Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the apps. So they should be on the third position from the top. Then let's scroll down to find Special App Access, and in this list we have to find the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course we can change it and just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install unknown apps. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, so just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And the same situation if you want to remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.